Hey, what's going on out there? This is Jeffrey with Grill and Smoke BBQ. And of course, we know right now it's that time of the year. It's football season. So I plan on doing a couple of cooks that's going to focus around, football food, those chips and dip, the hamburgers, pizza, and of course, one of the biggest things, chicken wings. So I'm gonna throw a couple of variations of chicken wings out there, and today we're gonna be doing some sweet Thai or sweet chili hot wings. So let's do that. All right, so first off, what we're gonna be using today is Heath Riles chicken rub. Gonna be using the Heath Riles hot rub, and we're gonna be using the Panda Express sweet chili sauce. And by the way, speaking of rubs, congratulations to John who won my giveaway. I'm still waiting to hear back from him. If I don't get some contact, I'll give it a day or two. Then I'm gonna have to go on to the next person. So John, if you're watching, you need to make contact with me. But moving on, what I like to show right now is this blade, this knife right here is from Spaceman Knives. This is a very, very good knife. It is made of Damascus steel. And you can see it has very nice design on it. And the handle, I believe if I'm not mistaken, this is the Constellation series. It is very sharp. And I'm in love with this knife right now. I can't wait to get some more of these. Probably the same series, and then I'll probably try a different series. But for right now, we're gonna be using this one. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna part out these chicken wings. See how easy that was? Absolutely no effort. Cuts right through it. I'm gonna show you another one. Don't matter if the bone's in the way. Pretty much goes right through it. Look at that. See what I mean? Cuts right through the bone. That's how sharp this is. All right, after I'm finished, I'll bring you back and we'll get these going. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna spray them with a little bit of oil. This will help to act as a binder. Now, as you can see, I kind of got this where the bone side is up. That way, when I put the rub on it, I flip it over. The meatier side is up first, and that's how to go in. And also, when I get ready to flip them over, it'll first flip, will put it back to where it's like this with the bone side up. And then when I spray it and put the sauce on it, I flip it back over, and then I got it the way I want it to come out without touching it again. So let's go ahead and start with the chicken rub. And we'll come over the top of that with the hot rub. And get these flipped over. Also, as you see with these drummies, I rotate the big end from the small end to give it more space. Now, I've already got the smoker preset to 325 degrees is what I'm gonna do this cook at. And once I get it on there, let it go for about 30 minutes, come out, check it, spray it with some butter, spray butter, y'all know how I do. And then we're gonna flip it, we're gonna see what's up with it. Be right back. All right, so I am doing this cook using some apple wood. I think fruit goes great with poultry. So apple wood it was. And we will be back in about 30 minutes. All right, it's been 30 minutes. All right, they're looking real good. I like that color. I'm gonna go ahead and spray them with some spray butter. This will help with the skin, so it's keep it from being rubbery. Make sure it gets nice and bite through. And then I'm gonna just go on to flip them. Do the same thing with this side. We'll let it go for about 15 more minutes, then we'll check on it. These are wings, they shouldn't take too long. Okay, so it's actually been about 20 minutes. These are actually probing around 175. I'm gonna go ahead and sauce them, then get them flipped over, sauce the other side. Give them about 15 more minutes and they should be good. All right, let's give them 15 more minutes. All right, so we finished. Now it's time to get these tasted, these sweet chili hot wings, ready for football season. Let's do it. So I'm a flats guy, so of course I'm gonna take this flat and we about to crack into it. Hopefully it's as good as it looks. Got that bite through skin, a little juice dripping out. Sorry about that. It's kind of sticky. It's sweet, followed by some heat. Y'all know I love my heat. Man, this is actually, I ain't gonna lie, it's better than I thought it was gonna be. I may have to try to make my own, what's it, sweet chili sauce? But this is really good. Don't mean to make y'all watch me eat, but let me put this down. It's just so good. All I can say now, thank you for joining me today. Feel free to, tell you make some of these for like you have like a little party or something for football, any sport. Man, this is gonna kill it, bro. It's gonna kill it. So thanks for joining me today. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing, clicking the bell, giving a thumbs up. If you already subscribed, thanks for coming back, fam. Really appreciate it. And till we get something else popping next time, I'm out. Have an awesome day.